Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can boost your FPS in Team Fortress 2, how you can fix FPS drops, lagging, stuttering and freezing, and the best part of it, you don't need to download anything. I will show you in game settings, in everything, and in game settings and in Windows settings as well. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, in game, what I suggest you to do here is to press on the gear icon, go to video, and then resolution, make sure is your native one, aspect ratio, your native one as well. Display mode should be full screen, and now I'm running in a window because for me it's more convenient to record the video, but for you should be full screen. Then go to advanced, make sure model detail low, texture detail try high, if it's lagging try to medium, shader detail low, water detail, sample reflections, shadow detail low, color correction enabled, anti-aliasing none, filtering mode by linear, motion blur disabled, and high dynamic range is none. Field of view, personal preference, but I like to have on 90%. VSync always disabled. If you're getting screen tears, then enable it, but it should be always disabled. And then multi-rendering is enabled here. Now go in Windows settings. First of all, what I suggest to do here is to go to settings, go to Windows Update, and update your Windows if there is an update. Same thing with your GPU. Go to your GPU app. For me is NVIDIA's. I use NVIDIA GPU. I just need to go to drivers and update my drivers here. And after that, restart my computer. Next thing what you need to do here before you play the game, always open up Task Manager and then end all the tasks that is CPU and GPU heavy and you don't use while you play the game. Of course, do not close Windows tasks that, for example, Epic Games Launcher for me, I don't use it while I play the game, so I can easily end task and then just look for the tasks. Then go to Startup Apps and also disable all the apps except Windows that you don't use. I like to disable almost every task because it requires a lot of my computer resources when I boot up, and sometimes I forget to disable them when I try to play the game. So everything I leave on disable, right? Then go to Discord. If you play with the friends on Discord, if you talk, then you just need to go to user settings, go to advanced, and make sure hardware acceleration is disabled here. And then you can close this. Then right click on your desktop, show more options, NVIDIA control panel if you use NVIDIA. And here we need to tweak a few things. So the first one, change resolution, make sure it's maximum amount of hertz, and right monitor is selected with your native resolution as well. Then go to configure surround and 5x, make sure your GPU under the processor is selected, not your CPU. Then manage 3D settings, then scroll down a bit until you see low latency mode and max frame rate, make sure it's off. Monitor technology, make sure is G-Sync compatible. Multi-frame sampled, make sure it's off. OpenGL GDI compatibility and is on prefer maximum performance. OpenGL GL rendering GPU and your dedicated GPU. Power management mode, prefer maximum performance, preferred refresh rate, highest available. This is important here with texture filtering. Anisotropic sample is on. Texture filtering quality, high performance. And then texture filtering, trilinear optimization and threaded optimization is on. And VSync always off. And then virtual reality pre-rendered frames too. Apply the changes. You can close this. Then go to settings again. Go to gaming, game bar. Make sure game bar is off. Then go to game mode and make sure game mode is on. Then open up Steam, right click on Team Fortress, go to properties, make sure on launch option is there is minus high, installed files, browse, and then here you need to find exe files. So as you can see here, there is 2 exe files. Find tf.exe, right click on it, show more options, properties, and then compatibility, disable full screen optimizations, then select change high DPI settings, select override high DPI scaling behavior, select application, apply, okay. Do the same with TF-Win64, right click on it, show more options, properties, compatibility, disable full screen optimizations, change high DPI, override application here. And then copy the path of your exe files here. Then you can close this, you can minimize this, go to graphic settings. On graphic settings, Advanced graphic settings, make sure hardware accelerated GPU scheduling is selected. Then select add a desktop app, paste the path that we just copied here, not here, here. Then we can delete this. And then just add exe file. And once it's added, you need to look on the list here. It should be with an icon. As you can see here, tf.exe. Expand this option, GPU preference, make sure it's high performance, and then optimization for windowed games, select on. Then go back, add desktop app, and do the same with tf win64. Then scroll down, and then select expand exe. GPU preference, high performance, optimizations for windowed games is on. Close this window. On search, you just need to write edit power plan. Power options, make sure it's ultimate performance. If ultimate performance not available, select high performance here. Next, go on search and then write just view advanced system settings. And here under the advanced, select performance. Under performance should be settings. Under the visual effects, select custom, and then on custom, only select smooth edges, show thumbnails, and save taskbar. Then apply. Then again, go to settings, advanced, virtual memory, change, select the disk where your game is installed, custom size, and then we need to calculate a few things. Don't worry, super fast and easy. So first you need to put your RAM value. For me, 16. Then I need to duplicate this number by 1024, and then the number that I get here I need to duplicate by 1.5, and the number that I get here I need to put to my initial size, and then to maximum size I need to put my RAM value times 1024 times 3, and the number that I get here I need to put to maximum size here and apply the changes. If you don't know how much memory do you have, you just need to go on system information, and then on system information here under the physical memory, install physical memory, you should see your RAM value, right? Next step, go to system configuration, then open up services, make sure hide all Microsoft services, and then end all the tasks that you don't use while you play the game here, and then apply OK. After that, what you need to do here is to press Windows and A key or simply write run. And then on this new window, you just need to write %10%. And then here, you just need to delete all the files that is available here. Don't worry if some files cannot be deleted, just leave it there, right? And then go to a storage settings on search, then go to temporary files, select everything except downloads, and then remove all the files here, right? And then run the game, open up Test Manager, and once the game is running, as you can see here, for me it's TF, for you should be something similar to that. Then go to details, on the exe file, press again, and go to set priority and set to high. And that's basically it. So if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.